Hi guys, I have come across this new resource that I wanted to share with my families just so that you guys can do things with your students at home, not through just me. So I wanted to show you this new website that Epic came out with. So what you're going to do is you're going to open up your Chrome, and then you're going to go to epiced.online. And then once you're there, um, you're going to have all of these tabs up at the top. So you're going to try to find your student's grade level. So I'm going to go to the 3rd through 5th grade level, and you are going to click on, so on in each of these categories, so the 3rd grade, or in any of them, the calculator stands for math, and then the book stands for reading, the microscope stands for science, and the world stands for social studies. So you can click on any of these tabs and it gives you resources in that specific subject. So if I click on math, let's say I'm in 3rd grade, I'm needing help. So especially if you're in a state testing grade, 3rd through 8th, this is a great resource. So this tells me that numbers and operations, this 43% that flashes, that tells me how much this specific category is weighted in the state test. So it's pretty weighted in this area. So if, let's say, I have an issue with a lesson in numbers and operations, so I'm going to jump to the topic. And when I jump, you see all these different resources. So let's say I'm having an issue with representing whole numbers. So each of these little icons are is a resource that has information that your 3rd grader can get. So let's say I go to the video. The video will pop up. It's a YouTube video that an Epic teacher created, and it
Hello, and
goes
welcome
through.
to today's lesson. We're going to be talking about topics under the standard 2.18.
So it's going to go through all the different, it's going to go through an entire lesson as if someone were teaching your child in front of them. But then if let's say you want more practice, you can go to this Epic lesson, and this is also created by a teacher, and this is just what each one is weighted on the state test. So you can see numbers and operations is heavily weighted. It's 46%. So this is a very important category to focus on. And then you have the topic. So you can go click on it, and it has an entire lesson on this specific standard. It is really informative. This is actually something that I would teach and I would use if I were teaching your student in front of them, or if I were in the classroom. This is what I would be using. And then also with this, there is another one that you'll see. It's called IXL. So those that came in late to Epic, I couldn't order you IXL, but you can still use this resource. If you, again, go down, there's more information on this. So here's the topic. We're asking for, the whole numbers. So you can even, so right here it has IXL. So you're going to click on, this is the actual lesson in IXL. Now, you don't have a login or anything, but you can still do a couple of practice problems. You don't need to type in your username or password, just hit exit, and you can do a few of the practice problems that way. So that's another resource on that particular skill. Then you can even go to Khan Academy. Khan Academy is another way to get this lesson. It's another, so again, there's so many different, so here's the exact same document we were at last time. So IXL has all these different skills that touch on whole numbers, how to represent them. Then you have Khan Academy videos. There's rounding. There's groups of 10. So if you click on any of these 3 videos, it's going to also pertain to this particular standard. It's really important, and I think that this is a great resource if you're looking for something additional for your kids to seek help in. There are so many different resources on this website, and I really urge you guys to all try and check it out. Thank you.